21 and si Jan nagpa-pack up na dun sa labas. And ako, pinipix ko lang yung bed and maglalaba. Yung mga bata tulog pa. Si Jan busy na dun. Tinanggal niya na yung mga bars dyan sa ceiling ng annex. Ayan, si Kuya tulog pa. Kasi mamaya uulan. So dapat ano niya na yan, matanggal para hindi siya mabasa mamaya or bukas. Kasi bukas uulan din. Ay, sad to say, alis na tayo. Okay. Ako dito sa loob. Maglilinis, maglalaba. Itatago yung mga dapat itago na. Basa. Itong mga nabili ko kahapon, ilalagay ko dito sa ilalim ng bed. So, arrange natin yung box. Ito, wala tong box. Ilalagay ko siya sa damitan ko. Dito. And, ito suotin natin today. Today. Ito din. Ilagay ko. Ito yung mga plato din ito. Dito ko. Kasi wala siyang box. Tapos ilalagay ni dyan yung isang ganito dito pag na tanggal niya na doon. Then good, meron pa pala dito. Hindi naman sila magagalaw. Yan si Kuya, fino-fold niya na pala yung kanyang swag. And yung dalawang bata nakaalis na. Si Holly kasi may friend siya na pumunta dito dalawang beses na. Ha? Yelling? No. Why? The cops were just there last night. Why? There's someone fighting? Yeah, I don't know what was that. I heard it. What's Perfume doing there, Yanni? So, yung friend ni Holly, dalawang beses pabalik-balik dito. Tulog pa sila. Ginising niya dyan. Tama ko na sa bathroom. Kasi nag-bis na tayo. Separate ko na yung white and light colors and dark colors. Damit. Ang bango-bango nito. Ang bango ng pabango niya. Grabe naman kasi mag-20 sa. Yung mag-ama, ayun, busy na sila dun. Si Kuya. Si Daddy. Si Sak, andun sa kabilang caravan. Ayan. I-fold na nila. Daming tubig. Ayan na yung mga labahan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do this. Uulan naman, so ita-dryer natin to right away.
Give me all them bottles, man.
Okay. You're not gonna carry all these socks.
TJ, you can walk over and just take these over and drop them off. Zach, you got too much.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll bring
You're going
the...
to hold it the whole way, are you? TJ,
What do you want, Bato?
just take those bottles off. Give me all them bottles, no problem.
Hinihintay ako dito ni Sak. Sabi ni Kuya, hopefully nandito pa siya kasi kailangan niya magpapalit ng coins. Hi, Nak. Here, Nak. You have to change this.
Huh?
Change. Thank you.
So what?
$2 and $1. Yeah, we need more coins. Just do to out of order, ang dami nagwo-washing. All right. That's 6 minutes. This one, this one we can use this. 4 minutes. Maghihintay tayo. 6 minutes, 4 minutes. All right. Which one you gonna go first? That one? Is that one color? Light. Okay.
With my guitar, that's a tower. Drew my heart and let it walk. But I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. We played the Charles Bridge on our side. With your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down. Suddenly it's over now. But you know we're falling slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. You play the tunes we used to. So stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the
Just finish that one there.
Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Now I'm back, see the New York signs. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be fine. It's too late to stumble now. Tune into the little sounds. But you know we're falling slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't.
Dito si Holly. Hi. What?
Just waiting for it.
Huh?
I'm just waiting.
For your friend? Okay. I left it there because we're gonna use it later. So dito naman ako mag-ayos, magligpit. Ito itatago na natin kasi hindi na ito gagamitin. Lagay ko ito sa plastic just in case mag-leak, at least nasa plastic. Oh, okay. Ayan yung ating oil. Secure na siya dito. Yung sauce, ita-transfer ko na dito sa maliit na bato. Dito si Hall, saka yung friend niya. Naririnig ko. Ito ba? Yeah, may shine na konti. Para madry yung ating roof sa annex. Hi na.
You know how she bought me an ice cream?
Oh,
I'm getting her one now.
what you gonna get?
Ice cream too with mine. If I can find it.
Ice cream
Why
mo.
does Chick need so many toys?
Bigyan niya raw ng to yung friend niya. Kasi binigyan din daw siya. So magsaswap sila. Oops. Ito, gamitin nila itong natitira dyan. Itatago ko na sana yung ating rice cooker. Nag-request yung mga bata na mag-fried rice daw tayo. Narinig niyo si Kuya? No, there is a vegetables, Kuya.
There is vegetables.
Yeah, there is. Me? Yeah. Maybe I will separate you some.
Yes.
But gusto kong kumain niya ng veggies. Kumakain naman siya, pero ayaw niya na may piece. Magpi-fishing siya. Hinahanap niya yung old jumper niya ni. Nandun na sa washing. Ayan, pang-apat to, pero hindi siya puno. Okay na yan. Nakasalang na yung ating rice. Eto, babalutin ko siya ng tea towel. Para hindi siya mabasag. Then, lalagay ko siya dito. Dito talaga yung mga glass ko eh. Ayan. Yeah. Eto, pwede ko itong ilagay sa ref. Diniligan ko to. Kasi dry na siya o nag-yellow siya. Kung nabili natin siya sa Woolies, hindi ko napansin. Ganito ng itsura niya. Hopefully mabuhay siya. And eto, nilagay ko rin dito yung pinugasan ng bigas. Tapos na yung aking winawash doon. Ito marami rin na bagong pumasok. May caravan. Okay, kunin ko na. I-dryer na natin yung at. Ay, hindi pa natin magagamit ang dryer. Mayroon pang nagda-dryer. Load ko na yung isa. Next, eto. Kasi yung isa, meron pa yung laman yung nasa taas. So, eto pala yung and ito yung banana na binili natin na kulay green. Ngayon, hinog na siya. Ilalagay ko siya sa ziplock kasi i-freezer natin. So, babalatan ko and freezer. Kasi masarap siyang banana. So, hindi tayo kapag-walk today. Kasi nga, kailangan natin na iligpit yung mga dapat iligpit. Pinag-iisipan ko kung hahatiin ko na ba siya. Wag na lang kasi baka madurog na. Kita ko sa TikTok na pwedeng i-freezer ang buong avocado talaga. Ang buong avocado, pwede siyang i-freezer. So, i-try lang natin. Pero si Holly, kakainin. Kumakain kasi si Holly. Minsan hindi ko na-vlog. Kumakain si Holly ng avocado na alone lang. Walang asukal. Kinakain niya lang na at ease. Yung siya lang talaga. Avocado lang. Okay, tapusin ko lang ito. May 5 na tayo. Pag meron tayo dito 9, 2, 4, no. 2, 4, 6, 8 pala. Hindi marunong mag-vlog. 8. Dito naman 2, 4, 6, 8. So may 16 pieces tayo. Banana from Yamba. Etong beef. Para sa ating fried rice. And nandito yung ating yung igado ko to. Mayroon akong freezer na igado. Ayan. Hindi natin nakain kasi hindi tayo masyadong nagra-rice. Ay, baka mamaya kainin ko to with my salad. Ito yung prawns. Ayan. Tapos yung iba nandun kay Johnny Boy sa freezer niya. And nandito yung dessert nila, yung apple crumble. And ayan yung ibang prawns. So, meron tayong prawns pag-uwi. So, hinugasan ko na yung ating avocado. So, meron akong 3, 4, 5. Gosh, 6. 6. Oy. Lima lang. Tapos yung mayroon ditong tatlong maliliit, kainin namin ni Holly. Ay, 4 pala kasi nilabas ko yung isa pa. Ito, dali natin to sa South Australia. Ilagay ko to doon sa kabilang freezer. Meron si Kuya tsaka si Max. Tapos na sila mag-fishing. Hinugasan ko yung mga hugasan dito para malinis na rin ditong part na to. And yung kanin ay luto na. Ayan. Wash your hands. Gutom na siya. Yeah? Wow. Where's the pictures?
No, I'm joking.
No? Daddy opened this one. This expired on...
Or a bit longer? Probably a bit longer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from July 29. So, 1 month. Ito na lang gawin natin na pizza. Ganito ba? I-pressan na. Okay, do you want me to put cheese only and salami and then melted?
No, and ham.
Oh, okay.
Are you still gonna... What's this?
That's beef. Okay.
Yep. And then more cheese. I like cheese.
Now you like you before you don't
No,
like.
only if it's melted. Oh, why are you putting the toasty thing?
No, it's not gonna fit. That's the one I was thinking before, but it's not.
Yeah,
gonna
it
fit.
might.
It's not because that's only I have to cut the edge of the
Oh,
sliced bread. So this one's too big, so it's just microwave.
How long?
1 minute?
No, more. I want that cheese melted. 3.
No, it's gonna be really soft. Ang bango. It's really hot, ha? Ang bango niya. Nag-melt talaga yung cheese.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Daddy will be jealous. We don't have ham.
Dad.
It smells so good, honey.
What's dinner?
Cheese, ham. Let Daddy have a bite.
Salami.
Salami. That bread is good.
Yeah, it's too hot to eat.
It's good though. Look at that.
It's pizza bread.
Yeah. Oh.
What's
Okay,
Gumag-
Mom, I'm here. I'm at the jumping pillow.
Alright, okay.
Bye, Mom.
Love you. Gumagawa pala ako ng dressing. This time, nilagyan ko ng lime. Dapat, yung first kong ginawa is yung Dijon mustard, mayo, honey, dill, and salt and pepper. This time, nilagay tayong lime. Experiment lang ba? Kahit ano man pwede nyong gawin sa inyong dressing. So, lalagyan ko na lang to ng honey and salt and pepper. Tapos, eto, kulang na yung salad ko. Eto, saan kakainin ko for lunch. So, siguro dagdagan ko na lang siya ng lettuce. We'll see. Kasi yung aking, yung dinadryer ko dun, tapos na. Nag-alarm na. So, sabi ko, dalhin ko na lang to. Kaya gumawa kong madalian na dressing dito. Is it dry?
Yeah, Mom, I can get it.
Cut it.
Here.
Ano? Good? Tingnan yung salad natin. Of course, hindi na naman tayong naunang kumakain. Nice salad, no? Nice dressing. Do you want me to make this and you will eat it at home? Ha? At least meron tayong gagawin ng salad para sa kanila. Kasi si Kuya kumain din eh. Okay, kunin ko na yung ating eto, tapos next. So, at least yan matutupi ko.
Is that like dressing?
Yeah, the one I made. You like it? Nice, no? good? Okay. Ha! I-move lang siya yung car. Kasi meron tayong magiging... hindi na namin sila magiging kapitbahay kasi uwi na tayo bukas. Ayan, move yun. And nandito na yung aking mga natupi. Meron pa akong naiwan doon kasi medyo basa pa. Nilagay ko ulit sa dryer.
Hey, don't Morgans.
So tapos ko na pala kunin yung ating damit doon sa dryer and natupi ko na, na-put away ko na lahat. Ngayon mag-grocery lang kami. Kuya hindi sasama. Para sa aming road back home. Para sa aming pag-uwi. On the way mayroon kaming kakainin kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-calls na hila-hila natin yung caravan. Look, there's a lot of kids now.
Yeah.
Si Holly, nandun siya sa kaibigan niya. Paglaro. So we're just gonna get cheese, ham, salami, roast.
Rolls.
What's that?
Rolls.
Yeah, bread. And I'm gonna get chicken kasi okay ako sa chicken.
What chicken?
Roast chicken. That's my lunch, dinner, and my salad. I'm good with that. Kasi sila mag-ham and cheese lang sila. Okay. Ang daming pumapasok ngayon. Ang daming tao ngayon sa caravan park. Tapos tayo pa uwi naman bukas.
Goodbye.
Ito, masarap din dito ang food. Masarap din yung sweet potatoes and chicken. Huling shopping natin dito sa Yamba Fair. Ano naman ako doon sa Zachary? Oh, this is closed. News Express. It's Sunday. From the top. Ito. Meron tayong eggs para sa ating fried rice. Kasi kulang na yun, 3 na lang yun. Meron silang ganito, 4 lang. Eggs. Exact.
Small eggs.
Yeah, just for the fried rice. Put this chicken there na ko. Or this one. Soft white. Is it soft white it says?
So another one. Get that one.
This one. Here, soft white. Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Yes,
soft white.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Ah, tip top.
Yeah,
Tip
that's
top.
tip top.
These ones are bad.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. These ones are better.
I have chocolates there, hon. Biscuits.
Oh, yeah, double fifty.
Oh, I said meron po.
Isn't that right, please?
No, it's not. We still have food box. So, kuha siya ng snakes. Alam niyo naman, hindi yan mawawala sa ating road trip. Pythons, we should be on the top. Kulit ako ng lentils. Saan na yun? Wala na. Ayun. Ito. Kuha pala ako ng cucumber. Cucumber. Kuha ako ng long life na milk. We don't have lollies, hon. I'm just gonna get long life milk.
There'll be enough cereal.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get 2 and then put in the fridge when we need it.
Fill them then.
Yeah. Here. Yeah, I got 2. That's it.
Cheese.
Yeah, sliced cheese. Did you get salami? Okay, we're done. Let's go. I'll bring this. Nagbabayad na raw si daddy niya. Don't drop it, sir.
Same shit.
Ah. Pag nag-scan, laging kailangan ng assistant. Magpapa-petrol na tayo para good to go tomorrow. Back to Caravan Park. Ayan, may bagong pumasok na caravan. And meron pa doon. Meron pa doon sa bago kayo pumasok dito, may nagpapa-register or kumukuha ng key niya. Ayan, daming bata, no? No. And nandito na yung asawa ni Ben, mama ni Max. Dito na sila. And then, may parating pang mga kaibigan. Tapos kami naman pauwi. Ayan, swimming. Hindi ko kayo dito nalibot.
Oh, yeah, that's Shannon there.
Where?
There.
Ah, they're here now. The caravan?
Oh,
Beb?
yeah.
Ayan pala yung yan na pala yung kaibigan nila, oh. Yan pala yung caravan. Sabi ko sa inyo, may parating. Yan na pala. Ayan na silang lahat. Oh, you're gonna...
Just tell him to get her in there, then go.
Yeah, I think you said go back a bit, then undo and do that.
Yeah.
Okay, wait lang natin. Ayan yung mga katabi namin. Naka-set up na. And yung mag-asawang matanda dito. Seniors andito. Ayan, from Port
Yeah, he's
Mac.
right. You want to start straightening her up though. You won't be able to swing around.
Yung mahirap pag madami ng
If you
caravans.
straightened up, like just went straight,
Mahirap nang
come in there. Willow, if you just
mag-maneuver.
straightened up, it'll go back in there, then
Mag-maneuver. O, alis yung isang car doon para hindi mahit yung car niya. Nakasama rin namin, o nakita din namin sila nung, not last year, na Bali.
should you yell at them or what?
Before.
Ask if they're alright?
Diba, hirap ang lahat. Ayun, pumasok na yung isang car dito. Kailangan niya talagang tanggalin kasi may hit talaga yung car niya.
He's got to keep swinging it.
Oops, nasa grass siya. May canyo sila.
So low.
Can you imagine pag wala ka talagang kasama, mahirap.
Right.
I think it's small.
Yeah, it's alright. He's gonna move. Hi!
Hi, Melissa.
Hi, Melissa! Ayan si Brody. O, diba? Kami naman yung paalis. Nang dahil kay Zach, we're leaving early. Ayan, to the rescue na. To the rescue na. Si Johnny Boy.
Okay, I'm going my noodles and my onions, and then
Kumuha siya ng 3 minutes noodles. Gutom na siya. Oh. Okay, si Johnny Boy. Sa ating fried rice. And mamaya, hiwain ko rin to. Ilagay ko rin siya dun sa, dito ba? Sa glass na Ecology. Ecology kasi yung brand niya. Para easy nilang bukas ang pagkuha ng chicken kung gusto nila mag-chicken sandwich. Tapos ako sa salad ko. So, iwain ko. Doon ako sa labas. Nilabas ulit ni Jan. Tinago niya na yung
Better get it going because it's not rain.
yeah, frying pan. Kasi ulan doon ako sa labas magluluto. Dito na tayo sa labas. Niluluto na natin yung egg. Inihiwa ko ng maliliit yung ating beef. Ayan siya. Ganito siya. Ngayon, iwain natin siyang ganito kaliliit. So, wala tayong bacon. And si Kuya tulog. Si Kuya na talaga ang tulog. Diba kasi, nung umalis kami, hindi siya sumama nung nag-grocery. Napagod si Kuya siya mag-fishing. Ito, ilalagay natin yung beef and egg. Then, magsa-separate ako para kay Kuya kasi ayaw ni Kuya ng cheese. Tulog pa rin talaga siya. Yan yung ating laya sa toilet. Madilim na dito sa aking pinaglulutuan. Try the beef. Nice? Okay now? The saltiness okay now?
Yeah.
The beef, I want you to try the beef. Good? Better than bacon.
No.
Yeah, I like it.
You're gonna miss the carrots, alright.
Alright, it's alright. Ito na yung kay Kuya. Kasi ayaw niya ngang may veggies, diba? Ah, look at that mosquito, huh? It's really big. Ayan kay Kuya, oh. Siguro okay na to kay Kuya, no? So, nilagay ko na yung beef. Try with the beef, everything, peas and rice. Si Jan mas gusto niya raw bacon. Wala tayong, we don't have bacon. Pero ako mas gusto ko itong malasang-malasa yung beef. I said try. Na kain. Ano? Good? Ito yung aming food for tonight. Ayan. Nagluto rin sila ng baked potatoes. May roast pork. And may roast lamb. So, yan yung dinner natin. Nauna na siya, oh. Meron pa dito. Roast lamb. By Rowan. Ito yung plate ko. So, kain na kami, guys. Tapos na kami kumain and ginagawa ko na yung salad ko. So, aside sa apple, naglagay akong additional na fruit, yung pear. Na-slice ko na rin siya. Ngayon, ito yung del. Tapos, ito mamaya, i-slice ko rin yan. Ilalagay ko rin yan sa container para ready sa ating biyahe. Finally, natapos ko din. Ang hirap niyang imekos-mekos kasi punong-puno yung bowl natin. But, ayan. Nilagay ko na rin yung lettuce. Lahat ng lettuce inubos ko na. Ayan na rin pala yung buong chicken. Nahimay ko na. Good to go na to tomorrow. Ayan. Ito, may tira pa. Ayan na lang. Oh.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.